Hello, all my lovely friends out there. Welcome to my channel. This is Shilpi. Today, we are going to talk about DIY simple, organic, and herbal hair mask. For that silky, smooth, shiny hair that we all love. First, I have taken 2 teaspoons of fenugreek seed or methi dana and soaked it overnight. Second, I have taken half an onion or 2 tablespoons of onion juice. Third ingredient is fresh aloe vera or 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. The fourth ingredient is curry leaves. I have taken here a handful of curry leaves. The next ingredient is 1 vitamin E capsule, or you can take 1 tablespoon of almond oil. The last ingredient is 2 tablespoons of curd. Fenugreek seed have high protein and nicotine content, which are known to be beneficial against hair fall and dandruff. Onion provides sulfur to support strong and thick hair. Aloe vera contains proteolytic enzymes, which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner and leaves your hair all smooth and shiny. Vitamin E is rich in antioxidant. This reduces the amount of oxidative stress and free radicals in hair follicles. Curry leaves are rich in antioxidants, which help in moisturizing the scalp and removing dead hair follicles. Curd is a good source of protein and calcium, while also providing potassium, magnesium, and vitamin A. It helps in dandruff control, hair growth, and hair softening. Mix all these ingredients and grind them into a fine paste. The paste should not be too thick or watery. It will look somewhat like this. Section your hair and apply the paste generously all over the roots. Here I am using my fingers, but you can also use brush to apply it. Comb your hair nicely before using this hair mask to avoid any tangling. Saturate your hair completely from root to tip. Tie your hair in a bun and keep the mask on for at least half an hour. Clean your hair with lukewarm water or with a very mild shampoo. Here I have used baby shampoo. The result you can see is shiny, smooth, silky hair. Using this mask regularly helps to prevent hair fall and giving strength to the hair. I recommend using this hair mask at least once or twice a week. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe.